The Sneeze and the Cheese. Reading by Annie. Boo the goose was on a cruise ship with her father. They ate dinner in the dining room of the cruise ship. I will choose some cheese to eat, said her father. There were many kinds of cheese on great chairs. Some were round, some were long, and some had lots of holes. Boo's father said, "How you like cheese? All of them look yummy." Next to the tray of cheese was a red rose. "Oh, I do love roses," said Boo's father. He sniffed the rose, and then he said, "My nose has an itch, and I think I am going to sneeze." "Achoo! Achoo!" said Boo's father. His sneeze was so loud, it blew some round cheese off the tray. The cheese rolled onto the ground. "Catch the cheese," said Boo as she watched them rolling on the ground. "Catch the cheese," said Boo's father as he watched them rolling on the ground. The cheese zigzagged out of the dining room and onto the deck of the cruise ship. A breeze blew over the deck, and the cheese ran down some stairs. Boo's father shrieked, "Catch the cheese!" All of the crew chased the cheese. But the cheese would not stop, and no one could catch them. They ran into the bee's room. "Stop!" said Boo to her father and on the crew. "We cannot go into Lee's room. She is having a snooze." "But we must get the cheese," said her father and all of the crew. All of them squeezed into Lee's room. All of them got chased. The cheese stopped by her bed. Lee woke up. "Buzz, buzz, buzz," said Lee. "Why do all of you squeeze into my small room?" "A rose made me sneeze," said Boo's father. The sneeze blew the cheese off the tray. Then the cheese ran away. "The cheese ran into your room," said Boo. "And we are helping them to catch the cheese," said all of the crew. "We did not mean to stop your snooze," said Boo. "I do not mind," said Lee. "You can pick up the cheese." Boo picked them up and said, "Thank you, Lee." There was a red rose by Lee's bed. "Oh, I do love red roses," said Boo father. He sniffed the rose and then he said, "My nose has an itch, and I think I am going to sneeze again." "No!" yelled Boo the goose. "No!" yelled Lee the bee. "No!" yelled all of the crew. But Boo's father could not stop the sneeze. Achoo! The sneeze was loud. The sneeze made a breeze in Lee's room. But Boo had the cheese, and she would not let them go. They did not run away this time.